absolutely sure. Do you have any reservations?
Yes, I already have reservation under the name of Hannah de la Cruz.
Okay, Miss De La Cruz, could you please wait a moment so I'll just check your reservation list? Thank you for waiting, Miss De La Cruz. Please this way. Will this place be alright with you, Miss De La Cruz?
Yes, this is perfect. Thank you.
Please have a seat. May I unfold the napkin for you, Miss De La Cruz?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, Miss De La Cruz.
Thank you.
Excuse me for a moment, Miss De La Cruz. Excuse me, Miss De La Cruz. Would you like to have a glass of water?
Yes, I would love to.
Miss De La Cruz, I would like to introduce myself. I am Marius, your food server. It's a pleasure for me to serve you.
It's nice to meeting you. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. Please excuse me for a moment. Excuse me, miss. Would you like to have a peanut brittle?
Yes, I would like to try it.
Excuse me for a moment, Miss De La Cruz. Excuse me, Miss De La Cruz. Here's our beverage list for your selection. I will take it whenever you're ready.
Thank you.
Excuse me for a moment, Miss De La Cruz. Miss, I would like to suggest our best-selling operative Mango Mingle. Would you like to give it a try?
Sure.
Your Mango Mingle will be served in a while. May I have the beverages, Miss De La Cruz?
Here.
Thank you. Excuse me, Miss De La Cruz. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your Mango Mingle. Enjoy your drink, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse me for a moment, ma'am. Excuse me, Miss De La Cruz. Here's our menu for your selection.
Thank you.
I will take it whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Please excuse me, Miss De La Cruz. Excuse me, miss. May I take your order now?
Sure.
Can I suggest something for your food?
Sure.
For your appetizer, I would like to suggest our seared scallops. It is a plump sea scallops seared with butter sauce. And also, you should try our soup, roasted tomato and red pepper. It is a smooth, creamy soup. And you should also try our salad, shaved fennel and orange juice. And I would like to recommend you our main course. It is a beef wellington with red wine. And lastly, I would suggest our ube cake bar for your dessert.
Amazing. Since it's my first time here, I would like to take all of your suggestions.
Okay, Miss De La Cruz. Okay, Miss De La Cruz, may I repeat your order now?
Sure.
Your order for appetizer is seared scallops, and for your soup, roasted tomato and red pepper. For salad, shaved fennel orange salad, and for the main course, beef wellington with red wine. And lastly, before your dessert, it is a ube cake bar. Did I get your order, Miss De La Cruz?
Yes, everything is correct.
That's good to hear. Your order will be served about 15 to 20 minutes. May I take the menu, Miss De La Cruz?
Here.
Excuse me, Miss De La Cruz. Excuse me, Miss De La Cruz. Allow me to adjust your table.
Sure.
Excuse me, Miss De La Cruz. Excuse me, Miss De La Cruz. Are you done with your mango mingle?
Yes.
May you take it now?
Sure.
Excuse me, Miss De La Cruz. Excuse me, Miss De La Cruz. Here's your seared scallops, your appetizer. Enjoy your appetizer.
Thank you.
Excuse me, Miss De La Cruz. Excuse me, Miss De La Cruz. Are you done with your appetizer? May I clear your plate, ma'am?
Sure.
Excuse me, Miss De La Cruz. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your roasted tomato with red pepper. Enjoy your soup, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with your soup?
Yes.
May I clear it now?
Yes, sure.
Excuse me, miss. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your shaved fennel and orange salad. Enjoy your salad, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with your salad?
Yeah.
May I take it now?
Sure.
Excuse me, ma'am Delphos. Excuse me, ma'am. Use your beef Wellington with red wine. Enjoy your main course, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with your main course, ma'am?
Yeah.
May I clear it now, ma'am?
Sure.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your ube cake bar, your dessert. Enjoy your cake bar, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with your ube cake bar?
Yeah.
May I clear it now, ma'am?
Yes.
Excuse me for a moment, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you finished with your peanut brittle?
Yes.
May I take it now, ma'am?
Sure.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with your glass of water?
Yeah.
May I take it?
Sure.
And may I clean your table, ma'am?
Yeah, sure.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Waiter.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your bill. I'll be back whenever you're ready.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. I received the exact amount. I'll be back in a moment with your receipt.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your receipt.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming today. How's your experience with our service?
It was a great experience. Thank you for your excellent service.
Thank you, ma'am. Hope to see you again.